We are at the Pine River today to see the results of our shellfish reefs and to show you what it looks like. So Unitywater is the first utility in Australia to trial the use of shellfish reefs to investigate nutrient abatement. Shellfish reefs abate nutrient, that is, they help us get rid of the nutrient in the waterways, and they complement the role of the treatment plant. And so here we are trying to measure exactly how much nutrient they abate and how they abate, so we understand the processes more.
Yeah, so this project is an initiative, a combination of the University of the Sunshine Coast, Unitywater, Healthy Land and Water and OzFish. Shellfish reefs have been significantly damaged by human activities throughout Moreton Bay. Up to 96% of them have been lost. So we're seeking to bring back that habitat first and foremost, but we also know that shellfish reefs are outstanding at offsetting nutrient releases. They suck up nitrogen in particular out of the water column and deposit it both on the reef and in the sediments underneath. So we're here quantifying that process, seeing how much nitrogen these reefs actually abate.
We searched for a location close to one of our treatment plants in order to be able to demonstrate that the oyster reefs or the shellfish reefs were in fact abating the nutrients we were discharging. We went for Marama Downs because the effluent discharge is of very high quality. It's a big treatment plant for us, and so its effects or the effects of the shellfish reef on the effluent were likely to be more easy to determine. And what the first year results show is that the baskets help us get rid of 11 times more nitrogen than the control site next to it.
So there's 3 different ways that reefs actually offset nutrients. The first is by sucking them up and putting them on their flesh as they grow. The second is by depositing them in the sediment underneath the reefs. And the third is by encouraging bacterial growth that actually releases the nitrogen back out into the atmosphere. A single one of these baskets offsets about 120,000 litres of releases from the wastewater treatment plant, and we need about 6,000 ROBs or reefs to actually fully offset the releases from that plant for 1 year.
We've lost an enormous amount of biodiversity in our waterways. Shellfish reefs do a lot of things. They filter the water, as we've talked about, but they also create homes for so many animals, a lot of animals like crabs and prawns and worms. So it's not just a great boost for biodiversity, all the fish love to eat those animals and prawns and crabs and worms. And so the production of fish is greatly improved by having these complex structures.
The results have been amazing. They have produced better results than I had ever imagined or anticipated. And yes, because of that, Unitywater is exploring opportunities to put these reefs elsewhere.
Yeah, this is really exciting. This is the first project of its kind in Australia, and to be able to find these results, you know, we were hoping for exciting results like this, but of course you never really know until you get those cold hard numbers. And so to see our suspicions confirmed with those numbers has been really great.